What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Dre Black Digital. I'm an affiliate marketer, music marketing, and lead generation specialist. Today, we're going to dive into a video, and I'm going to teach you guys a method that many artists have used in the past to go viral. So I want you guys to take extra close attention, pull out a paper and pen, take some notes, and stay to the end. And I'm going to teach you guys a method that you guys can use to go viral with your music today. It's simple and easy, so stay tuned and stay to the end. All right, YouTube, today I'm going to show you guys how you can make your music go viral the fastest so you can grow a fan base, grow streams, and start your music career. So today we're going to talk about the remix method. With the remix method, this is when you use another artist's beat and you record your own freestyle or lyrics, and you make your own song out of it with your own little twist. But today I'm going to walk you through the method to show you guys the correct way to do this. So today, for example, we're going to use Drake Lemon Pepper Freestyle. I know you guys heard this song featuring Rick Ross, so it's a dope song. I'm going to go ahead and let this play a little bit. But you guys hear the beat. You know it's Drake and Rick Ross lyrics on here. It's obviously the official video. But right now, what I'm going to show you guys is an artist that I worked with personally with my music marketing agency, and I helped run ads for his music video. But he executed this exact method the perfect way, the correct way, and he actually grew a lot of fan base on his IG. His streams went up, and his music video was pretty much viral. But I'm going to go ahead and show you the exact way he executed this method by taking this artist beat and recorded his own freestyle, and then we ran some music ads to it. So the artist name is going to be Terrence Lamont. Should pop up. So boom, Terrence Lamont, Lemon Pepper Freestyle. Listen, it's the same beat as Drake's, and I'm going to just let you guys listen to a little preview of it. But he executed this well. And as you can see, we have 1.4K likes, 54,000 views. All right, so pretty much he freestyled to the song. He shot a video to it, and then he reached out to me, and I ran some ads on Google, running YouTube ads for this song or this music video to help him grow his views, his likes, and subscribers. And as you can see, we're at 54,000 views, 1.4 thousand likes, and he has 284 subscribers. And the crazy part about this music marketing campaign and using this method, when he started this campaign and this method, it was about at 9 subscribers. By the end of the campaign, we're at 284 subscribers. And as you can see, it's 145 comments. And look, the person said, I normally skip ads on a regular. I heard the first bar and I was like, damn, this is hard. I got to listen to this. And here I am leaving a comment. Keep on going, Young King. So as you can see, my music marketing ads work, and they look 20 likes, 23 likes, 30 likes on the comments. Running Google ads to this music video using this method. So today I'm going to go ahead and dive in and show you guys exactly how to do this, exactly what to use to find the beat or take the music video, take the beat, and then make a song out of it. So today we're going to, since we're talking about Drake Lemon Pepper Freestyle, I'm going to go ahead and copy this link. And what you want to go to is lalao.ai, LALAL.ai. And as you can see, you extract vocals and instrumental tracks from any audio. Just choose the file, drop it, and drag it here. So in order to get this beat right here and take his vocals out of it, you want to copy the link. Just type in download YouTube video. Go to yt1s.com. And we're going to go ahead and download this video. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and paste the link here. No, I don't want notifications, but let's say get the link. And we're going to download this ad popped up on here, but it's downloading down here. So once it's finished downloading, like I said, you want to go over to lalao.ai, and then we're going to sit here and drag this file onto here so we can download this instrumental. So let's give this some time. It's finishing up now. All right, so what you want to do next is take the file and drag it simply right here. I'm gonna leave the link in the description for you guys can just save it to your bookmark so you don't have to go searching for it. So let's let this upload and I'll be right back. Okay, now I'm back, YouTube. Now, once it's finished doing its thing, because it is an AI powered machine, basically, once it's finished doing its thing and extracting the vocals from the instrumental, then you're going to get to this screen right here where it's going to show you the vocals on the top and the instrumental at the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and preview exactly what I mean. So boom, as you can see, it took the music from the background and only playing the vocals. And on the bottom, I'll go ahead and preview the instrumental. And that's basically all you have to do to extract the vocals from the song. And it's basically going to be done for you. All you have to do is download that file like I showed you, or download the YouTube video like I showed you, upload the file to this website right here, and it's going to do all the work for you. So it makes it fast, simple, and easy. So after you get to this point, what you want to do is go ahead and take the instrumental and download it to your computer. Put it in whatever software you use to record your music. If it's Logic, if it's Pro Tools, or whatever you use to record your music, you're going to go ahead and upload this file to there. If you want, you can go ahead and clean it up a little bit. If you feel like you wanted to take some parts out, anything like that, clean it up a little bit, write your verse, and go ahead and record the verse onto the beat. After you record the verse onto the beat, what you want to do is go ahead and let me turn my camera back on for you guys. So what you want to do when you turn on the beat, you want to go ahead, rap your lyrics, rap whatever you wrote, and then from there, you want to go ahead and clean it up, mix, master, do whatever you got to do, and you want to create a music video to it, similar to what you saw on Terrence's music video. He took the beat that Drake originally wrote to, he took it, put his own spin on it, put his own little freestyle on it. We put some marketing behind it on Google Ads, YouTube Ads, and made the video go viral. Terrence saw an increase in subscribers, his followers on Instagram, and his streams definitely did go up on the back end. And to this day, it's still organically growing from using this method. So if you guys want to take your music to the next level and go ahead and go viral using this method, I want you guys to comment below, like the video, and subscribe. And also, if you guys want to learn the next method, which is basically taking your song that you just recorded and running ads to it, I'm going to go ahead and walk you guys through that. So click the link below to get the YouTube ads course. It's going to show you exactly how to run ads for your music. So thank you guys for tuning in and using this method. Have a good night.